Alright, hi, I'm Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. Today we're going to be making a simple pepperoni roll. This is something you can throw together in 5 minutes tops with just a simple preparation. This is a prepared dough that you can buy in your local grocery store. We have a nice tomato sauce, a little bit of shredded cheese, and some pepperoni. And you could feel free to add anything else to this. This is just a really basic version, but sky's the limit. You could add veggies, you could add other meats, you could do shredded chicken inside of it, the pepperoni. You could do a lot of different things. So just keep that in mind. Like we always say, the recipes are just a guideline. So as far as getting this ready to go, I've just got a little bit of flour out on my cutting board, or whatever. You could use the clean kitchen counter to do this as well. That's just so that this dough doesn't stick. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of cheese down first. And you could really do this any way you wanted. You could put sauce down first, pepperoni down. As long as you layer it in alternating layers, you're going to be just fine. But I'm going to put a little bit of cheese down first so that it melts inside of here. And then I'm going to put a little bit of pepperoni and put some sauce over top of that. But like I said, you could really do this anyway, and this is something that it's really fun for the kids to do. You could throw them into the kitchen and get them making these for themselves early in the morning. Just you make sure that you have your oven preheated to, we've got it on 425 right now. And that's going to be for anywhere between 10 and 15 minutes, just depending on how much stuff you put on the inside. And you could go as heavy or as light as you want on the sauce. That's the same thing I like about making pizzas at home, is you can really kind of customize them to your liking. Just kind of spread the sauce out a little bit, and it'll spread as it cooks too. Alright, so I'm just going to empty all the sauce out onto here. Use the back of a spoon to spread it around a little bit. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty in this one either. Spread that out just a little bit more. Great thing about pepperoni rolls too, you could really put the sauce on one side and roll it, and then it will kind of do the spreading for you, but I just like to make sure that it gets spread around. Alright, so now I'm going to add some more cheese, add a little bit more pepperoni. Like I said, you can keep doing this in alternating layers until you've got it filled to the max. And then the fun part comes where you get to roll it up. Put a little bit more pepperoni and a little bit more cheese. Of course, you could also throw fresh herbs into this, and like I said, you could add veggies or other meats depending on what you like. Alright, now I'm going to roll it up. So the first thing you want to do, kind of tuck in the edges and start to roll it over on itself. You can kind of pull it as you roll, stretch it out a little bit, and then for the last I'm going to flip that side over. I'm going to kind of crimp it. On the ends as well, kind of close them up, and that'll allow the ingredients on the inside to slightly steam as this bakes. A little bit more flour on the top, and then we're going to spray this with non-stick cooking spray, or drizzle it with olive oil, or even a little bit of melted butter, and that'll help it get nice and golden brown on the top. We're going to slide it into the oven. Like I said, for 10 to 15 minutes, you just want to check it. Once it's golden brown on the outside, that should indicate that the dough is cooked, and that's all there is to it.